Today we're going to be making paprika and garlic roast chicken with couscous. So I'm just going to drizzle a teaspoon of oil over each chicken leg, sprinkle over some garlic granules or powder, just a little, and then sprinkle over about 1 teaspoon of paprika between the two. Then going to drizzle a little honey on, and we're just going to then pat them down and rub it in all over so it's evenly coated. Once that's done, we're going to start on the couscous. So I'm going to dice some apricots, some dried apricots. You can buy these already diced, about 70 grams. Then I'm going to quarter some cherry tomatoes. I think this was about 100 grams, but I normally do all of these by eye. And we're going to grate 1 carrot. Slice half a bunch of spring onion and pop it all in a bowl. Now my couscous is under there, it's about 70 grams and that's for between 2. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to a jug, along with about a teaspoon of sweet chilli. You can add as much or as little of this as you like. And I'm going to add 1 chicken stock cube, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. I'm going to make this liquid up to 275 ml. It looks slightly less than this, but I had to add a little more liquid later. Then we pour that over, give it a really good mix. And I'm then going to cling film it and pop it in the microwave for 2 or 3 minutes just till it's nice and hot. And then we're going to leave it on the side and that'll cook on its own for probably take about 20 minutes. I've also put my chicken in. So my chicken's just come out, it's colouring up, it's been on 180 for 20 minutes. So I've turned it down to 160 for another 20. Now that that's ready, I'm going to pour the juices from that in with my couscous. I'm going to give my couscous another quick heat in the microwave, just for 2 minutes to make sure it's nice and hot. And that's it. Really easy and really simple.